Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine your different ideas for your sprites. So in some of the other videos that you may have been looking at, I've been showing you one thing at a time, but you can combine all of them together. So for example, on this letter A right here, I want to make it so that when I click on it, it's going to, I don't know, play a sound, not a meow sound. Let's go with, okay, a G note on a piano. Sure. I also want to make it so that it actually changes the color effect when I click on it. So like this. Oops, not meow, G piano. Cool. So that works. Sounds good. But I also want to make it so that it changes the size a bit. So we're going to grab one of these change size by 10 blocks. We're going to put it inside of a repeat and attach it. And then we're going to change the size by, whoops, minus 10. We're then going to have it so that our sprite will spin around 30 times, because why not? And then we're going to have it so that our sprite will forever move and bounce on the edge. Now, you may be looking at this and going, okay, Jared, don't forget about the green flag. Yep, we got to make sure that we reset to the correct location, because we're going to change where we move. So we want to go to where we're at right now. We want to set to the correct direction, which, because we're changing our angle. We also want to clear the graphic effects because we're changing our color. And then maybe if you wanted to, you could also say to stop all the sounds, just in case you click on it and then click the green flag right away. You don't want to hear the sound. Okay? So let me see if we're doing all this correct. Oh, we almost forgot. We need to set our size back to 100%. Okay, so for everything we change in here, we need to have it reset when we press the green flag. So if we're moving, we got to go to the starting location. If we're changing our angle, we got to change the direction. If we're changing the way we look or our size, we got to do that. And if we're playing sound, maybe you'll want to stop all the sounds. Okay, so green flag. It does this. I press it, plays the sound, it changed the color, it spun around, and it did all this stuff. Cool. So now it is doing some weird things. So this is just one idea of how you can combine all the different ideas that I've shown you in some other videos, but there are many more blocks and combinations that you can use in your particular project. So have some fun experimenting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.